Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share how I like to pre-poo my hair. So today I will be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-poo. So as you know, shampoo has a way of somewhat stripping the hair. The shampoo I use do not strip my hair, but it's still soap and it will remove any oils that you may have in your hair. And that's what it's supposed to do. That's the job. I like to use pre-poo now because it helps with slip. And I always start on pre-detangled hair when I use this product, or any type of pre-poo if I'm using conditioner. So I've already detangled my hair and it is dry detangling. I do have a video showing you all that process. And this is the second step of my pre-poo, pre-shampoo process. So the hair is already stretched and detangled. To make it easier, and I basically just go through and I take a bit and I just go through the hair. And I also like to add some to the ends as well for protection. So pre-pooing can also help prevent breakage, especially if you're clarifying that day. You decide to use a clarifying shampoo and it hydrates the hair as well. And I do the same thing when I'm using conditioner as well. You can use whatever product you prefer. I'm just showing you my process, and I do this every single time I shampoo my hair. And then I just twist the hair and let it be like that. I like to dry detangle my hair prior to using the pre-poo because my hair is already parted and sectioned when I make my twist, when I pre-poo my hair, so I can just go in and add the product without, doing too much work. And I focus on my edges as well because that area can be a bit dry too. I just go through and let it sit. And just like my dry detangling process, I just go through the entire head and just add the pre-poo. It's really simple and it's really easy to do. And I just allow it to sit in my hair so it can do its thing and work its magic. If I'm not mistaken, the African Pride Pre-poo has been out for a while. I like to pick mine up from my local Walgreens if I need it fast, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon or any place like that. This particular pre-poo does have castor oil in it, and coconut water and aloe, and some other oils as well. So I do not add any additional oils in my hair when I'm using this product. I just use it as is and just let it do its thing. I'm not a fan of having product just sit on top of my hair, so even when I'm pre-pooing, I want it to really get in the cuticle and do its thing. Now, I am aware that, depending on the porosity of your hair, it may take a little longer, but I like that this product does exactly what it claims. Depending on the density of your hair, I would suggest making smaller sections if you're interested in trying this. But again, the pre-pooing process has been such a game changer for me when it comes to retaining length and making my shampoo process easier. And because right now my hair is short, I like that I am getting myself programmed to do this. So when my hair is longer, I'm not stressed out. I know what I need to do to get in there and get the curls detangled, and I'm not having issues trying to detangle super long curly hair as it grows. So I notice when I shampoo my hair after I have allowed this product to sit, I noticed that my hair lathers so much better with the first lather for some reason when I pre-poo my hair versus if I didn't pre-poo my hair. It's almost like the pre-poo is lifting any old product in my hair, so when I rinse it out and then I go to lather, I have a really good first lather as well. And then I just clip my hair up just like this when I'm done. And that is it. I do not cover my hair. I just let it sit like this for about 15 to 30 minutes to allow the product to really get in my hair. And then I go in, remove the twist, rinse my hair, and start my shampooing process. And that is how I pre-poo my hair. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found it to be helpful, please be sure to share or save for later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you next time.